Hey, I'm Brandon from the Xbox team at Microsoft. Just wanted to take a minute to show you how we're making our games and our gaming platforms more inclusive. The ability to set a game to a wide range of difficulties can be the difference between whether or not some disabled gamers can play, enjoy, and complete a title, essentially turning impossible games into challenging games. This can also benefit other types of users as well, including younger gamers, older gamers, and gamers who simply don't have the time or energy to put into hours of gameplay. As an example, Beat Saber offers a wide range of difficulty options. Depending on the song, you can choose to play it on Easy, Normal, Hard, Expert, or Expert Plus. The recent Baldur's Gate remake is another game that offers a wide range of options. You can see that they include descriptions of what each option does too. This can be really important, as the word easy on its own doesn't tell you much about how the game is made easier. Easy mode is actually hard mode for some people, and calling one mode normal can dissuade players from using others. And speaking of naming conventions, it's important that games avoid using patronizing difficulty setting names, like baby mode, for example. A user who needs that setting to finish a game doesn't want to feel like they're being insulted for having to choose that mode. Shadow of the Tomb Raider calls its lowest setting Smart and Resourceful. This tells players that they should think of the option as playing with an upgraded character, instead of playing a downgraded game. The developers of Celeste put similar thought into the wording of their assist mode. The initial wording they used put some people off, but their updated version makes it clear that using assist mode still means you're having the intended experience. It's important to recognize that broad buckets of difficulty, like easy, medium, and hard, don't suit everyone's needs or preferences. As an example, a user may be really good at combat, but not so great at puzzles, or vice versa. So it's useful to give players the option of adjusting these game mechanics individually. Way of the Passive Fist lets gamers adjust enemy strength, encounters, combo mastery, and resourcefulness on a sliding scale. Dishonored 2 has 22 different settings available that allow gamers to fine-tune gameplay difficulty to suit their unique preferences. Enemy perception speed, footstep noise volume, and many more aspects of gameplay can be adjusted on the go. Having lots of configuration options can be an accessibility barrier in and of itself, so it's good to make these less overwhelming through nesting in presets. Forza offers a selection of standard difficulty presets along with a custom difficulty option, which gives full control to each individual variable that the other options change. Assist modes are optional settings that can compensate for a game expecting greater performance from a player than is possible. Not all of us have cat-like reflexes or ultra-fine dexterity, so assist modes can be really helpful. They also can be very helpful for some gamers with disabilities. As an example, Forza Horizon 4 has steering and braking assist modes, among others. In Celeste, the assist mode lets you slow down the game speed, enable infinite stamina, and more. In the same spirit as assist modes in games, the Xbox One console has a feature called Copilot. With Copilot, you can link two controllers together to control a single character. That way, a friend can help out if a game is too challenging for someone to tackle alone. Progress in a game should be regularly saved in a simple way, with checkpoints for example, and the players should be able to continue after failure without significant loss of progress. Ideally, a game should provide both autosaves and a manual save option, because no one likes losing their progress and having to start over again, especially individuals who've had a really hard time making that progress in the first place. Portal 2 is an example of a game that provides both options, autosaves and manual saves. The save files here have a text description of the current point in the game, and a timestamp. These combined reminders can be hugely beneficial from an accessibility perspective. So that's it. Thanks for watching us and joining us on our journey to make gaming for everyone. To learn more, visit aka.ms/xga.